We're at the Skyhawk Solar Farm here in Union City, Tennessee. Scope of the work, when we first got engaged with the customer here, they had experienced a catastrophic flood across this north parcel. We basically came in to do a visual inspection, understanding that this was a flooded environment, and electrically speaking, that creates a lot of hazards. So we were very meticulous in how and what we were looking for and what we needed to dissect and understand to create a solution.
Just proud of this team out here at Skyhawk Solar Rebuild. This is strategically a wonderful project for the team. 36,000 module replacement due to some flood damage. We've got great strategic partners with JMS. The safety out here has been great, aside from the muddy conditions, the northern Tennessee weather, a little chillier than what I expected. This project has been the biggest win in electrical services history.
The challenge of kind of just a small team. There's not a big team like other job sites are used to, but we have enough people to handle the business and to take care of everything we need. We're very tight-knit. Everyone takes care of each other and everyone knows everyone's strengths and weaknesses, so we can build off each other that way. I do enjoy working in a small team. I think it's efficient, especially when it's done right.